Welcome back to the Rack Warehouse YouTube channel. Today we are taking a look at and installing the StageTwo 2-bike hitch-mounted platform bike rack from Yakima. The StageTwo is a premium tray-style bike rack capable of carrying 2 bikes up to 60 pounds per bike, including fat tire bikes and e-bikes. This bike rack can be tilted down out of the way with bikes loaded to allow you access to the trunk or tailgate of your vehicle, and has great security features as well, allowing you to lock both the rack to your hitch receiver as well as lock each bike separate from one another with an integrated locking cable in each tray. Let's begin assembling the Yakima StageTwo. Start by inserting the tongue of the rack into your vehicle's hitch receiver. Line up the hole on the receiver to the pinhole on the tongue. Then insert the safety pin. Turn the speed knob clockwise to tighten it while simultaneously rocking the rack back and forth to get the tightest fit possible. Once it's been fully tightened, locate the supplied SKS key and use it to lock the knob. This disables it from being tightened or loosened any further, locking the rack to the hitch receiver. The next step is to install the bike trays. The trays will come in 2 pieces, and you'll want to connect them, making sure the inner tray will have the front tire holder facing the driver's side of the vehicle, with the hub for the pivoting arm facing away from the vehicle. Go ahead and hand tighten the 4 screws that secure the trays to the spine. Then come back and fully tighten them with the supplied Allen tool. Repeat the same process to install the outer tray. These screws use a specific security Allen pattern, ensuring that the casual thief walking by isn't going to steal them. If you choose, these bike trays can be centered on the spine, decreasing the overall width of the bike rack. The downside to this, however, is you may run into some interference issues between the bike seat and the handlebars when loading more than one bike. Next, let's install the pivoting arms. We will be demonstrating this on the outer tray to better show the process on camera. Remove the foam used for shipping and slide the arm assembly onto the hub, making sure to align the notches on the arm with the inner cup. Next, install the inner cone, washer, and screw as shown, then tighten it down fully with the supplied Allen tool. Repeat this same process for the remaining pivoting arm. With that, the Yakima StageTwo is fully set up and installed on the vehicle. To load bikes onto the StageTwo, fold the rack down into position, unfold the arms, and undo the wheel straps to make way for your bikes. Lift the first bike into place with the front of the bike facing the driver's side of the vehicle. If you have heavy bikes, the Yakima RampUp ramp kit sold separately, part number 800-2737, may be a great addition to the StageTwo. This ramp is collapsible and can be set up and installed on the StageTwo in a matter of minutes, giving you a convenient alternative to lifting heavy bikes onto the rack. Regardless of how you get the bikes onto the rack, the process to secure them remains the same. Bring the pivoting arm up over the front tire of the bike and place it roughly an inch in front of the forks. Use the ratcheting mechanism in the arm to secure the front tire. Adjust the sliding rear wheel tray until it is centered under the rear wheel, and fasten the wheel strap. Repeat the same process to mount the second bike. Lock the bikes up with the integrated locking cables. Simply route the cables through the frame of each bike and back around. Then lock them up with the SKS key. Yakima's StageTwo Plus 2 add-on offers the ability to upgrade the StageTwo by adding 2 additional bikes, meaning double the adventure and double the fun. This concludes our video on the StageTwo 2-bike hitch-mounted platform bike rack from Yakima. If you have any questions about the product, please give us a call at 1-800-272-5362 or send us an email to info@rackwarehouse.com.